Hello everybody. Today I am going to explain about understanding poverty in class 8th. Today's our topic is understanding poverty. What is a poverty? We have to know first. Poverty is nothing but poorness. Poverty is nothing but poor. Why people became poor? What are the reasons? In our Indian society, there is a lot of difference between rich and poor. So, rich people lifestyle, their income source, their standard of living completely different. Poor people, their standard of living, their income source, their other activities which are completely different. So here in Indian society, rich and poor, there is a lot of difference. So why day by day in our country poverty percent is increasing? What are the reasons for poverty? There are many reasons are there. Generally, in India, unemployment is more, population is more. Here in India, population is high, unemployment is more, and basically our country is agriculture based country. India is the agriculture based country. So in the year of 1947 and the present in 2020, you just see that there is a lot of differences there in the population. Population percentage increased rapidly. At the same time, poverty percentage also increasing. So what are the reasons for poverty? So I will tell you, one is that in India, majority of the people, they are living in the village areas. Majority of the people in our country, they are living in the village. In the village, the people's main occupation was agriculture. Present also in India, people main occupation in the village area is agriculture. So these agriculture works here only people who are having land, that people they are doing agriculture activities, and landless people they are working as laborers in the farmers, or who are having land. In that land, these people are working as a laborers. So here people who are depending on agriculture sector, they are earning less income source. The people who are depending on the primary sector, they are getting less income source. So they are unable to purchase all the resources what they want. They are not concentrating about their health. They are not providing good education system to their children. They are not providing good food, nutrition food to their children. That is why, so because of majority of the people, they completely depending on agriculture sector as agriculture laborers. So this is one of the main reason in India for becoming poverty. And next, unemployment also main important reason. Due to the overpopulation, day by day population increasing. For that overpopulation, we are not showing, government also not showing any work to the people. So that is one of the reasons for becoming poverty. So poverty is people who are in the poverty, they will not get proper nutrition food. The people who are there in the poverty, below poverty, so they are unable to purchase, unable to eat proper food. As per the nutritionist, as per the national nutritionist, as per that I can say 2400 kilocalories we need for a day. A person need 2400 kilocalories of energy they need in the village area. Okay, so the national calories standard gave one report published on that. So the village area people, they need 2400 kilocalories energy required. Here we are measuring the energy in the calories. We are measuring energy in the calories. In the city areas, urban areas, per day, people they need 2100 kilocalories per day. But village area 2400. The difference is in the village area, people are completely depending on the physical works. They have to do with physics. And in the urban areas, people are working in other service sectors. So that is why in urban area per day to do their activities, people's require 2100 kilocalories of energy. In the village area, 2400 kilocalories of energy respectively. But here, when people is getting proper calories of food, then only they can work properly. Their body also will grow properly. Otherwise, day by day, the people who are not getting proper nutrition food, proper kilocalories of food, so they are becoming weak. Their body will not grow well, and they face many health problems. So in our country, due to the floods and drought in the year of many years, 1977, in that period, so many of the areas in our country, drought occurred. Due to the drought, there was no agriculture production, no rains, so hunger deaths were more. People unable to get proper food, no work, unemployment is more, price rate increased, so poor people unable to purchase proper food. So if these people who are not consuming proper food, proper calories of food, after few days it will become like a chronic hunger. It will become like a chronic hunger. So as per the nutritionists say that we have to maintain the BMI. BMI is nothing but body mass index. So these body mass based on your height and your weight, your age, based on that, so we can say that what is actually body mass it is. What is your body mass? To find out the probably nutrition or not, you are getting nutrition food or not, you are getting proper food or not, are you getting a proper kilocalories food or not, we can measure, we can calculate very easily by body mass index, BMI. By the BMI, we can calculate the particular person is that healthy or underweight or overweight, we can say very easily. How can we measure this BMI? BMI simple, it is we have to BMI is body weight in kgs divided by height in meters, then we will get the final result which is come, that is we can calculate as a BMI. So BMI should be equal, BMI should be correct, then only you will be healthy or your body will be healthy. Suppose some of the people they will be overweight, that people also not good, not healthy. Some people they are below BMI, that people also undernourished people, so they have to take more food. So like this we can every time we can calculate, and we can say easily by using this body mass index. So mainly in the village area, people are not getting proper food because of the poverty. So I said just now I said that what are the reasons. One is agriculture source, they are depending their livelihood depending on agriculture, that is one of the reason for the poverty there, and therefore all the family members completely depending on the agriculture works, that is one of the main important reason for the poverty. Here one more thing, overpopulation and lack of education. So poverty, due to the poverty, that family member they are unable to maintain their family, they will not provide proper education facilities to their children, so that is why these people again go into the very very poor, so that we can call that below poverty. One is people has to do any other works. For example, first they have to be educated. Well, people are educated, they can do any other works. But in India, from the ancient, majority of the people, they are depending on the agriculture works. And there are many other reasons are there for becoming poverty. I will explain in the next class.